Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson. In this video, I'm going to show you the best practices of how to install the CGI Fixed 130. After installation, I'll show you how to complete the finishing touches. The first step is to remove the board that have screws on each end of the frame. Using my screw gun, I'll be able to remove the screws to remove the board. The next step is to inspect the window and dry fit it into the opening. I've dry fitted the window. I'm ready to apply the appropriate sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The appropriate sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. Refer to the product approval for the appropriate fasteners into your substrate. As you're anchoring the window into your substrate, use shims at every fastener location to keep the window square, level, and plumb. Continue anchoring your window into your substrate and double checking for square, level, and plumb. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the frame and get all that concrete dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fasteners through the tube of sealant and anchor your sill down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. I'm now ready to insert my fastener covers. The fastener covers will be inserted all the way around the inside perimeter of the frame. I'll use snips if the fastener covers are cut just a little too long. Now follow the same process with the other fastener covers. The final step is to apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of your frame. To recap, I've now installed the CGI Fixed 130 window. I've shown you the best practices of how to install the window and all the finishing touches. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.